This is Soldier Boys on YouTube, and today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of the LG Shine. Here we go. Let's take that bag away. And there it is, LG Shine Black Label series. This is only the second version of the Black Label series, but this happens to be your best version. Okay, let's open it up. You can see on there it just says all the where it's made and all the packaging details, which you don't need to read. I didn't read it. Okay, let's open it up. And there we have it, the LG Shine. Okay, that is the manual, which basically has all the stuff about school history, profiles, general functions and stuff like that, display information. To be truthful, I don't read this because it's very simple to set up, so that can just go over there. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. I actually got this one from Car Phone Warehouse, but they said I have to get a T-Mobile SIM card because you can't just buy the phone by itself. So I'm gonna let the £10 buy that on here and get an orange dolphin SIM card. So I put that over there. And the best thing, the LG Shine. I've already opened this up, but I've only had it for 2 days. And so it has some of my stuff on there if you wonder why. And just put that to the side. And there's the backing. Hard titanium. It's quite, I don't think it's easy to scratch. Some people say it's easy to scratch. I don't actually agree with them, because if I run my nail cutter now, nothing, as you can see, nothing. You can see the red light from my camera. I actually say this is my old phone. I'm video recording this from the Sony Ericsson G502, which is okay. It is an okay phone, not as good as I thought it would be. And there's the battery, lithium iron battery, 3.7 volts. Okay, and so that's fine. And there's the backing. Okay, let's put it together. You can see side and put battery in, put backing on top. One second. Okay. It's not a simple cover to put on, let's say. Okay, let's slide up, turn this phone on. When you turn it on, you will see it comes up with a circle with KE970 in it. There you have it, LG Shine. And when it goes blank after a while, so right, about a couple of seconds it will go blank, and it's a mirror, which is really good. So let's scroll up. My wallpaper is actually a Pitbull cartoon design, which basically is just me. When you scroll up, you have this type of menu, which you can change into a grid menu, but I think I'm going to leave it on this one. And at the top you have profiles. So about the camera, this camera isn't really good. At the top you have profiles. When you go on there, it says silent, vibrate only, outdoor and headsets. Browser, home, go to URL, history, settings, information. Multimedia is like MP3. Let's play a song. Can go quite loud. Okay, so stay down like that with the plain music. can also do equalizer. So that 3D, stuff like that. And there's quite a lot of songs I have on here. That was Tupac Nokia tune. Just to show you how loud it can get. And it also has camera. The good thing about this camera is, on here I'll show you, if you go all the way down which looks like a lightning, it has a torch or flash, which is really, really good. And I'll just turn that off now. See if I can do it without looking. There we go. Off. And it also has other features which I don't want to show you yet. Okay. And call history. All calls like from my girlfriend, my mom, my friends, etc. Messaging, just like a letter. And inbox, contacts, all my friends, my stuff, which is like my pictures, my sound, my videos, documents, games, and external memory. Tools like alarm clock, calendar, calculator, memo, stopwatch, unit converter, world clock, and sim services. I don't actually know what sim services is, to be truthful. I'll try and work that out and then post it on my next video. And settings is day and time, language display, connectivity, call, security, flight modes, power saving, reset default, and memory status. So there you have it, the LG Shine